Nice.
National championship game. Lucy, you want to sit at your new office that we got you? You want to sit at your new office?
Where'd it go? Did you lose the ball? Where'd it go?
Lucy, where's Daddy's booty? Where's Daddy's booty? Got that on video. Lucy, where's your booty? Where? That's your booty. Can you do the booty shake dance? Lucy, shake your booty.
Where's the ball?
Shake your booty.
Where's the ball, Lou? Lou, where'd the ball go? Where is it? Where'd it go, Lou?
Lucy, stop watching TV.
There it is. Ah!
Where's Daddy's booty? Lucy, where's Daddy's booty?
Look. Is that the ball?
Can you say thank you, Daddy? Say thank you, Daddy.
Don't go losing it again. I don't hear you saying thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you.
Hey, flock of seagulls hair.
Oh no! The bad part of Bob's barbecue is starting to come up. So there is no downside to his barbecue. Leo, throw me the ball. Leo, throw. Throw.
She wants you to throw it to her.
You gotta get in front of it, Leo. Throw it. Throw it. You gotta get in front of it. Watch. Throw it. Throw it, Lou. This way. Throw it. Yeah.
Is that your office, Lucy?
It's over there by the duckies. It's by the duckies.
Watch your head. Ooh.
Donkers.
Get in your spot. Jason, go get the ball. Go give it to Daddy.
You gotta throw it better, Lou. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it better.
Good throw.
Ah, see how I got it? Okay, get in your spot. Ready? Catch it. Block it. Come on. Get in front of it, Lou.
All right. Say goodbye, Lucy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Time to go get your PJs on. Throw it to Dada. We should note that you have been given Dimetap tonight. Where's your booty, Lou? Where's your booty? Yeah, that's your booty. Where's your...
Okay, get in your position.